is Friday morning, and we are here to maintain this machine. This connect capacitor as well machine that was visited on IceMan-Tech yesterday. So what we are here to do is maintain the machine, make sure the machine is start working so that the investor can start earning his daily weekly profits. So it will take us approximately 1 week to 2 weeks to complete the maintenance of this machine, because we are going to work on the piping system, because the system is the compressors, also do the gas before it start working. So it will take us approximately 1 week to 2 weeks to complete the maintenance work before the machine owner start receiving his weekly income. So as you all know, IceMan-Tech, we have to have machine fabrication, hardware machine fabrication, we have to maintenance, we have to the business too, and we also offer investment services to those that are interested to invest in business. Either through our joint business partnership, or our shared business partnership. Whatever we are interested on, IceMan-Tech, we are here to offer you that service. Record IceMan-Tech